What's up, randoms?
I'm Anisha.
I'm Ishan and welcome to our channel.
Be so random. So today's video is going to be all about.
It's already in the title.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
So during this quarantine, we're just not binging on Netflix or Amazon Prime. We're also hung up on binge sessions for several YouTube channels.
For me, it's like endless searches of DIYs, makeup hacks, recipes, and whatnot.
And I'm a YouTube hog. I don't know how many hours and data packs I've consumed. It's like my range starts from Jethalal Thug Life to lectures on string theory and black holes.
So each one of us are going to tell you our top 5 YouTubers or YouTube channels, and who knows, maybe you will find the next YouTuber or YouTube channel that you would like to binge on.
Number 5.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a hint. Hi guys! Those who haven't guessed it, it's Sherizade Shroff. So she mainly creates lifestyle, beauty and fashion content. I know there are a lot of YouTubers or YouTube channels that fall in this category, but I find her really candid. And my favorites are her monthly favorites. So we're going to watch one of them and I want to see your reaction. Where are the monthly favorites?
Hi guys, so it's time for my March favorites. Okay, now coming to my favorite shows. Okay, I feel like I've watched what I would watch in a few months in this 1 month, obviously being home, and it's crazy. So first up we have Netflix. Tiger King, it is amazing. Who else is obsessed with Joe Exotic? I watched the show and I feel like I love these like docu-reality shows. Like they're just wild and lots of fun. And Tiger King is just insane. Like watch it. Then we have I'm Not Okay With This. Kind of has that sex education vibe and like a teenage, troubled teenager, teen girl mix of a show, which is nice to watch right now.
So it's because of her I ended up watching like a lot of web series and documentaries that she has suggested. Like I ended up watching Tiger King, Trials of Gabriel Fernandez or Sex Ed, like the things that I would not end up watching. So yeah, I think you should check her out.
So it's turn for my number 5. I am sure that you've heard of Mr. Beast. Who all think that he has spendthrifts? I guess every one of us. I think it's more fun to spend someone else's money. So this guy has the fastest growing YouTube channel. Okay, spending 1 billion in 24 hours.
It's like a dream.
He spends most of his money by giving it away. So the context is like he had a competition in which he stacked up like $1 million and he had 4 people competing for it. If anybody removes their hand from the stack, they lose the money. So this guy was the last one to move the hand. So he won $1 million and now he's spending it.
Wow.
If you just want to sit and watch something or you're forced to wait for something, just YouTube Mr. Beast.
So like the last time, I'm gonna give you another hint. So my number 4 is Sass ASMR.
What does ASMR stand for?
So ASMR in general is really enhanced eating sounds or whispering, or it just makes a viewer sleep or relax. Sleep or relax. So Sass ASMR is a Canadian YouTuber and she eats really exotic dishes and rare fruits. And her mukbangs are fun.
What is mukbang?
Allah.
So basically what I understand is that she eats and you listen to the sound of her eating.
Yeah, I mean because of her I ended up knowing a lot of stuff. I mean that's why we ended up trying the Samyang fiery noodles.
Okay.
So let's watch and let's see if you will fall asleep. Hypnotize and hypnotize. Is it making you sleepy? Are you getting hypnotized? After she finishes the entire thing, her lipstick will still remain like that. In the whole comment section, everyone is like,
What is your lipstick brand?
like, what lipstick are you wearing? Yeah.
I like the food but I don't like the sound.
Okay, it's not for everyone, but it's for me and I enjoy watching it. And especially during this quarantine time, it gives me some peace.
Okay, so my number 4 also relaxes my mind. The channel's name is Demolition Ranch. It is run by a man named Matt. He's a veterinarian from Texas and has a massive gun collection. Even if you're not a gun person, he'll get you hooked. The most fun part of the video when he takes out his 50 BMG and just shoots at random stuff and see what the result is.
What we want to see today is what will go through a 1.25-inch block of titanium. An extra one just for good measure. A little scuff there and a scuff there. I think we're going to have to step up our game. But a real caliber, 9mm out of a CT Scorpion. Didn't do much. A little bit of a dent. I brought rifles.
This is your favorite gun in PUBG.
Which one?
AK.
AK is not.
AKM.
AKM is not.
It's the Barrett 50. I don't know if you guys heard of it. Shoots a 50 BMG. Kind of a big bullet. Check out this plate. That is a nice hole.
That's titanium.
So my number 3 is Screen Junkies. They host a lot of shows, but I watch mainly Honest Trailers, and it's mainly a satire. It's like they use this parody voiceover and they make these really 5-minute or 6-minute honest trailers. They actually talk about what this film is actually about. So it's brutally honest, it's humorous. Like, I have so much fun watching it.
Joker, prepare for a film the media said was too dangerous for you to see. Where the garbage is high, the clown rental business is booming, and everything is
yellow.
Dude looks like he's about to ask you to do his podcast. Come back to the other mic, you piece of snap and kill you. Hey, wait a minute. Sleep in a refrigerator. Instead of writing damage on his forehead, just damage his forehead. That isn't fun like the 60s, innocent like the 80s, grim like the 2000s, or embarrassing like the 2010s. Dance Revolution.
So now it's turn for my number 3. So in my third position is Logan Paul.
Blah.
Okay, so I started watching his vlogs because my younger brother suggested that like it's really funny and everything. I started off watching his vlogs when he was sharing an apartment with a friend, and now he owns a $7 million mansion. What I admire is his passion he has for creating content. Not just his content, but the way he edits.
I wanted to turn the backyard of the Maverick House into a beach. 10,000 pounds of sand, a cabana, Hawaiian dancers, some homies, and of course a pineapple float. I told my roommates about the idea and they hated it. What are we going to do with the sand after the vlog, Logan? Where do we even find the sand? But alas, unfortunately, they had no vision.
Whoa! Whoa! You have no vision? If you put sand back there, so you're not gonna have any vision.
Alright, some bad news. We still needed to find the sand. And even worse news, turns out we needed 50,000 pounds of it.
50,000 pounds of sand. I know you! Oh, sorry.
Now it's your turn.
So my number 2 is Watch Mojo. So they are one of the largest YouTube channels, and they come up with these top 10 videos. These top 10 lists are fall in different categories, like from economy, politics, movies, TV shows, fashion, beauty. So I mean, within those categories, there are varied topics that they pick up. I find it very educational and informative. So we're going to watch one of those best war movies of all the time from A to Z. Apocalypse Now. I guess it. This one I don't know.
Even I don't know.
This one also I don't know. Yeah. This one I haven't seen.
Then come and see.
Dunkirk.
Dunkirk to even I know.
Empire of the Sun.
The Christian Bale movie. Full metal
I
jacket.
have this in my hand, I can never end up watching it.
If nothing, I think then this channel will increase your vocabulary. So my first runner-up is Do You Meet for Dinner? It's run by Robert Allington. Basically, I ended up on this channel by after watching like fishing videos of Black Tip Edge. This guy will make you fall in love with the process of hunting and cooking. So he'll start off by guiding you through his hunting gear, show you the process of how he hunts. So it goes on till the final recipe of how he cooks it. Basically, it's like a show from Nat Geo or Discovery. What a fish.
Like that?
Yeah. They're catching lobsters with spears.
It's a crab. It's making me hungry.
I'm never too naughty and got it done. I mean, we just had a
Okay,
blast.
no,
Now we're gonna head back to camp. That is a full throw. But Indian lobster. So right here. We're gonna start picking meat. Oh, that looks so good. Big old fat plate of meat.
Is he making lobster soup?
And he's making a bisque.
Look at this.
Wow.
Outstanding.
I would want to.
Is that another hint? Even I am hungry. So it's time for our number one.
So my number one is Shakli Dumpling. So Mikey Chan is a Chinese American YouTuber. Again, he is eating exotic dishes across US and overseas. And I know it's again another person who falls in the same category as food and travel. No one can describe food the way he does. And his spice tolerance is like no one can beat that.
This is a work of art. I'm sorry I had to disturb the peace, but there's a ton of spice in here. Kind of messed up there, but let's go ahead and just try this uber spicy soup. Wow. Oh, that is delicious. Believe it or not, this bowl of molten lava is a perfect spice level for me. And despite the hellfire, I can still taste how incredibly rich and porky this broth is. It is absolutely loaded with flavor. Milky big yolk. That egg was just slightly salty, and when you bite down, the melty yolk slowly covers your tongue. It's like biting into one of those Cadbury cream eggs you get for Easter. It's like that, except for this is a real egg. This is like a magical Lamborghini. You just push a button, and then you ask for more food, and it just shows up right here.
He just finished one huge bowl of ramen and he wants to have another. I think he'll be the best company to handle.
Yeah.
I watch him more is because like other YouTubers, they're just like, okay, this is sour or this is salty or this is good.
So good.
Yeah, this is so good, delicious,
Mm.
amazing, amazing food.
Even I like his channel.
You should be liked.
Okay, now it's time for my number one. And the channel's name is Dude Perfect. Even you like it, right?
Yeah, I think both of us like each other.
Number one.
Yeah.
So this channel was introduced to me by my friend. It's almost like I've grown up with these guys. When I subscribed to them, I think it was 8 years back, and they were sitting on I think 3 or 4 million subscribers, and now they sit at 50 million subscribers. They've grown with time and they've coped up with the new generation of YouTubers. In my eye, they are like the quintessential original content creators, because except for their main thing, which is trick shots, they came up with shows like Bucket List and Overtime, which she also enjoys. Like, I was such a big fan, I even went to the website 2-3 times and wrote to them for hiring me as an intern in their team. Like, this is their office, this is their workplace.
So
What's up, guys? We're doing perfect. Today's a huge day because we're unveiling our brand new office, DPHG2. Let's do it! This is the bounce pass. Here we go, boys. I didn't know you could jump like that. How do I do it? And at the end of this hallway, we've got our conference room, which is where all the real
Okay, so these were our top 5 YouTubers, and I know the choices are very different.
But here I've usually accepted honorable mention.
Hi guys, welcome to Pretentious Movie Reviews. This week's movie is
तो कैसे हैं आप लोग?
Yo, what's up guys? कैसे हो आप सभी लोग? Welcome back to another gameplay video.
So guys, comment down below your favorite YouTubers, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.
And press the bell icon for notifications.
Follow us on Instagram as well. The links are given in the description below.